And a very good evening, everyone. Jeremy here, strategic.com.sg with the market recap for the S&P 500, ending the trading week 9th July 2021. And yes, we closed at all-time highs at 4372 for the first trading week of July. And starting our analysis on the monthly charts, picture perfect, bull trend, bull market, and essentially the last long signal at the tail end of this bull market issued on the 1st of December 2020 at 3654 has garnered a very nice almost 750-point return for those who have patiently held on to all their holdings in the US markets for the past 7 months, and currently at 4372, very, very strong, and currently supported by the Tenkan at 3810 as well as the super trend at 3632 if there is any downside corrections. However, the bull market extremely strong on the particular monthly charts, long term basis. And if you look at the weekly charts, another picture perfect of a bull market. Long signal for the weekly basis was at 3168 on the 1st of June 2020. And right now we are, yes, almost a year, 1 year now, this super uptrend that has been on the S&P 500. No signs of weakness at all, essentially hugging this Tenkan yellow line on the Ichimoku cloud with support at 4200, and secondly on that super trend line, which is now pivot at 4029. So look at that, very, very nice bull run for the weekly charts. No reason to doubt the strength of the S&P 500 unless I see 4200 or that particular super trend at 4029 being challenged. And on the daily chart, you can see the story of the S&P 500. You have long signals, one, two, three, four, five, six. This is the seventh long signal since that plunge for the pandemic that touched 2179 at the lows somewhere in April last year. You had a buy in April last year, in July last year, October last year, November last year, February this year, April this year, and then finally you have the last long signal, which just happened last month on the 26th of June 2021, targeting all-time high. So let me zoom in to the last couple of weeks. All right, so you can see after that particular long signal on the 1st of April, very nice swing there. You had about almost 250 points right there on the corrective move. Buyers bought just above the SSSA line, broke up through the super trend line. Another long signal, 24th of June 2021, PAM went up there. So essentially, if you had actually done an analysis on the monthly and weekly charts, you know how strong the trend is. So you will always buy whatever pullbacks they might give. So a lot of people freaked out last Thursday on the 8th of July, where the S&P 500 hit and tested almost that pivot at 4262. However, it bounced back up very strongly and closed at an all-time high. Right. So always use multiple time frame analysis to see on the longer term, on the medium term, how the charts are looking, and then use your short-term time frames for you to get involved with the trade. So looking at a 4 hourly chart, you can see that particular plunge on the other day. I wouldn't call it plunge, but a little bit of pullback to almost hit that 4290 level. So a lot of buyers right here, they bought in on the 8th of July, Thursday, and then immediately we had a very nice recovery. And currently we have a long signal as well on the 4 hourly charts at 4361, targeting new all-time highs. So my parting comments for the S&P 500: long-term super uptrend, weekly, medium-term super uptrend. On the dailies, very nice uptrend with This is the eighth leg of the uptrend for the daily's chart, and on the 4 hourly's, very nice uptrend. And last Thursday event on the 8th July was a blip. We had a lot of buyers coming in at about 4,280 points. This V-shaped recovery, very, very strong and evident of the S&P 500, finding buyers at every pullback. And we expect the S&P 500 to make higher highs until the charts tell us otherwise. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. Remember to click the right button, the like button on the channel, and subscribe if you like to get some alerts from me on my next video that's coming up very shortly. Thanks very much.